In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Mouse with batteries. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your specific model of the Apple Mouse still uses batteries, you will be able to change them and connect it to any device, such as a Mac, PC, and so on. So first of all, check the battery status. So to do this, you can open this latch at the bottom of the mouse to see the current batteries that are inserted. So I recommend turning it off just to make sure that it isn't going to connect itself. And then once that is off, use this latch at the bottom of the mouse to actually see the battery compartment. So turn this hatch down and you will be able to pull out this cover. So once you pull out this cover and you reveal the battery slots, you will be able to insert them here. So it will take 2 batteries and you can place them inside. Most modern Apple Mouse models will feature USB-C charging, but if you are still using one that needs the batteries, then this is how you will be able to change them. Once you insert the batteries inside, taking a note of the polarity, you will be able to close the battery compartment, and now you connect it via a wireless connection. So when you go over to your MacBook or your iPad, whatever device you are using, you can go over to the system preferences, and upon powering it on, by switching this toggle into the on position, it should be discoverable by nearby devices, so it should appear under the list of available devices to connect to, and upon selecting it, it will be usable wirelessly. So all that you need is to insert the necessary amount of batteries, and once they are inserted, you connect it wirelessly to any compatible device. Immediately upon flicking the switch into the on position, it is going to go into pairing mode, ready to be used with nearby devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Mouse with batteries. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.